Hi, I'm Andrew and today I'm here to show you how to perform a perfect B-press join. The first thing we need to make sure we have the right equipment. The correct PPE, copper tube, fittings, tube cutter, internal external deburrer or pencil internal deburrer, Rovleys, correct crimping jaw and approved tooling, either the Rothenberger TT or Romax 4000 tools. Step 1 is to cut the pipe. It's vital that we use a tube cutter and not a hacksaw, as this will ensure a nice 90-degree cut. Next step is to deburr the pipe. It's important that both the inside and outside of the pipe is deburred to ensure that there are no sharp edges which could potentially damage the O-ring. After you've deburred the pipe, it's advisable to use a Rovley pad to ensure that any oxidization that's formed on the pipe is taken away. The next step is to select the correct fitting. Black O-ring for water, red O-ring for high temperature, and yellow O-ring for gas. We then insert the pipe into the fitting and witness mark. This will ensure that any movement throughout installation is detected prior to making the crimp. The next step is to select the correct jaw. Today we're using a 25mm Romax 4000 tool. Ensure that the locking pin is all the way home before completing the crimp. Squeeze to open the jaws and insert the fitting on the O-ring bead. We then press and hold the button to perform the crimp. And there you have it, a perfectly executed B-press join.